This year, we again used the Fun Tree Career game to start off the school year for high school students. We aim to help them understand and discover themselves through this board game, which is crucial for international schools like ours, as we will introduce it tomorrow. Lesson links. In school, students can make the most of their strengths and find their interests by choosing from a variety of curricular activities and experiences. Before that, it became extremely important for students to be able to do such a raw game. Through such a game, you can understand who you are and therefore make yourself.
One of the best things about this game is that it takes the theory of career planning and then can put it in the scene of the game for students to play. When we guide students to use it, they can easily get started by understanding the game rules and then helping other students. Feel free to use it.
I am Lucy Yu, advising the third class of 202 at Moonshot Academy. Today, I guided freshmen in playing the Career Vision board game to enhance their future planning through exercise and communication. For instance, when asked about their ideal future lifestyle, students can use board games to express themselves, clarify their plans, open up to others, and enhance self-awareness. This reflects the game's value in aiding new students.
Playing 3 board games today gave me a fresh perspective on myself, highlighting how strengths in some areas can be weaknesses in others. Excited to explore this further in my review. In some instances, I adjust my approach. Acknowledging my knowledge isn't universal. It's an opportunity to discover new perspectives. Career planning is akin to a game of choosing 5 directions and narrowing down to 3, involving careful reassessment to find the right path.
I think it's very meaningful to re-recognize my direction, so I do it too.
I am very happy to be able to participate in such a game. When I was leading the students in this game, I found out. In fact, many students did not think about it at first, but when we made such a choice, he began to bring his own thinking. It's that for his career, he may be far away from him, so he may not have thought about it before, but from this game, he began to have his own thoughts, and then when he communicated with others, it was his kind of ideas that were stimulated and collided by others. Begin creating a career plan for yourself.
I look forward to it. This year, we have also purchased 2 sets of board games for this career, and we will put them in our growth counseling room, and then students can come and go to review such a game in their spare time. And then because in the school we have a defense mechanism, and then every 2 years, students have to state their own values, their own explorations during this time. So I have such a game in the form of a board game, and we can also do more coaching as a team. So this year, we are very happy to be able to use this tool to help our students increase their self-awareness in their careers.